I'm going to show you the before and after of this little house. We've been working on it for a week. And when we first came in here, I was like, there's no friggin' way. This house is gross. This is what we were able to do in 1 week. We'll be back for just an hour or so tomorrow just to finish up putting the light covers back on and that kind of stuff. But, I mean, wow. I'm very proud of myself. That toilet bowl is black. I mean, it was bad. I wish it wasn't so... My camera's, like, zoomed in looking. You should have seen those little cabinets back there. They were creepy looking. And I will show you guys, like, downstairs and the outside tomorrow. But what we were able to do, wow, night and day, really. Show you this. We gotta fix that window, but this little room, I mean, it was bad. And it just looks completely different. This room, and this room, this room. And this looks like a whole different house, seriously. It's crazy what a little bit of elbow grease and some paint can do. Because really, we didn't replace anything in here. Everything we did was literally just scrubbing and paint. So, I think it turned out pretty nice. What do y'all think?